Our beloved 360 camera is now up in the air. This is Antigravity A1, the world's first 8K 360 drone. In this video, we're going to be unboxing it to see what's inside the box. I will share my experience on flying this drone, so do subscribe to watch more about Antigravity A1. This is the Infinity Bundle with high-capacity battery. Sit tight, and let's get it unboxed. There's an instruction to scan the QR code before first use underneath the box cover, so I will do that later. Okay, so inside the box comes with this good-looking, high-quality sling bag. There's nothing left in the box, so expect that this contained everything in it. Let's now open it and take out the items one by one. This must be the drone with a separate case. I'll put that aside for now, and let me take everything out first. Like always, there are manuals for me to read, but I will try not to depend so much on the manual and see if I can fly this thing without relying on the manual. Anti-gravity sticker. Nice. Okay, we have a battery lanyard, a power cable, USB-C cable, and we have 4 pairs or 8 pieces extra propellers, screwdriver for the propellers, lens cover, controller lanyard, a microfiber cloth, and there are actually 2 lens covers, not mentioned in the box, and a quick reader. I will find out later what this thing can do. Time to unpack the rest. We have here the goggles battery and a charging hub, which can charge 3 batteries. Next is the anti-gravity motion controller. There it is, you fly the A1 drone using this controller. By looking at it, I think the buttons and this dial is self-explanatory, but let's see if I'm guessing it correctly. It is very light, only 125 grams. It says here, charge battery to activate, so we're going to do that later. Okay, let's move on to the next, and this is the goggles. It has 2 extendable antennas on top. Let's remove the behind cover and this additional goggles manual and remove all the stickers as well. I can't believe these are actually screens. So you have a soft rubber here and a nice soft padding. Okay, let's remove this rubber lens protector and some more stickers that covers the lens. These are awesome. Wear this and you will look like a man from the future. And finally, the A1 drone in this nice little case. Wow, this is smaller than what I thought. A small drone with 360 camera? How about that? Let's get this thing out. Looking gorgeous in white. Let's now remove all the stickers and unfold all the arms. So all the arms folds in outward direction. So now, let's just continue to remove all the stickers. This sticker is stuck. I need to remove the battery to get it out. This must be a packaging standard. Makes sense. And look at this. It has a retractable landing gear. This is to protect the bottom lens from scratches. Okay, let's see how heavy the drone is without the battery. It's 180 grams. And the battery is 108 grams. The Infinity Bundle comes with the high-capacity batteries that has a flight time of 39 minutes. With this battery, the drone will be over 250 grams, so in most countries, you will need to register your drone. Standard battery will leave the drone below 250 grams. So there, you have 2 lenses that will take 360 videos and photos. The drone is really nicely crafted and neatly designed. The gimbal is designed to absorb shocks, so footages will not be shaky. You have sensors and an auxiliary light at the bottom. Back to the controller, we have here 3 flight mode selection switch: normal, Cine, and sports. This dial allows you to turn the drone left or right while hovering. Photo and video buttons. Ascend and descent, or land switch. Emergency brake, or RTH button. Power button. And the menu button. Really can't wait to fly this thing. Let's now try to attach the goggles battery to the lanyard. And also the controller lanyard to the motion controller to protect the controller in case you accidentally drop it. This fits my wrist just nice. Now, let's connect the battery to the goggles and talk about the goggles this time. We have here the volume control buttons. On the other side is the home button. Double tap to use the camera in front of the goggles. Below are 2 dials to adjust the goggles diopters and interpupillary distance. Here's the weight of the goggles. It's 340 grams. It's not really heavy, so it's not inconvenient to wear. Okay, time to activate, so I need to charge all the batteries first. And after that, it required me to update the firmware. There you have it, finally connected and ready to fly. So what do you think about this drone? Let me know in the comments. Watch out for my next video regarding my first flight, where I will share my experience and thoughts about this new drone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next